What a great day to check out this new aircraft, the Cirrus SR22. Just delivered, just assembled and ready to fly. It's the BNF version, and we'll strap some cameras on it and inside it because it's got a great cabin to take in, go to, and we will do some taxi tests first and then take it to the skies. Well, after the taxi tests, we now are ready for our first maiden flight of this beautiful aircraft. I hope it goes well. I've checked the CG, which I have mounted here and underneath as well. So we will see if it all flies well, and I'm sure it will. As you know, it's a very nervous time when you're taking a new aircraft up. I've got the throws down on low at the moment. We'll see if that's good enough. And we've got some fairly thick grass on this area, but it's a nice wide open space. As I've mentioned before in other flights, it's a good field to fly because you have plenty of room. It's a little wet because we've had a lot of rain lately. Oh yes, she's up and rolling. Very slow turns because we've got a low. And hopefully later on today or tomorrow we'll have a good beach day to take it. So there we are, our very first maiden flight of the Cirrus. Might be just a little nose heavy, or tail heavy, I think, just slightly. I'll bring the battery a bit forward rather than trimming it out. But you'll see that if I release the controls, I'll bring it around and show you. If I release the controls, she goes up. Only slightly, but it goes up. So I think once I get the battery level, she'll be fine. Lovely lights on it. Bring it in nice and slow for you. See how it handles the flaps. Bring it in slow again. Flaps, it didn't balloon, which means the settings are correct from Brian Phillips and also E-Flite. Here she comes down now. Flaps up. Bit of wind turbulence up there. and we'll bring her in for a landing. This spot just here is the best for landing because the grass is low. Look at those lights, you can see them all coming in beautifully. Oops, there she is, she's down. Brakes pretty quick because of the longer grass. Okay, just let me bring that battery is where it's at the moment. It's only a 3-cell I'm using. I'll bring it forward. A little bit more forward there. See how that goes. And we'll just check the battery. The battery. 55, that's good. Okay. That's what I love about this aircraft. It's got a really nice area there for the camera in the cockpit. Make sure that's flashing. Yep. I'm just sticking it right there in the cockpit area. You can see where it is. It's looking straight through to that area, and we'll see what that's like.